Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Luno wallet. If you're new to cryptocurrency and looking for a safe and easy way to buy, sell and store crypto, then this video is just for you. Today I'll be showing you how to install the Luno wallet step by step on your phone. So Luno is a trusted crypto wallet and exchange that allows you to manage popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT right from your mobile phone. And whether you're a complete beginner or installing Luno for the first time, make sure to watch this video till the end so you do not miss any important step. First, you need to go to the App Store or the Play Store. And once you get into the app interface, on the bottom you can see there's a search bar. Select there and type down Luno. And make sure you select the official Luno app published by the Luno. And over here, always double check the app name and logo to avoid fake apps. And once confirmed, you need to select the get and you need to double click to install it. And the app will now start downloading automatically, and this may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. And once installed, you can tap on the open, and after opening the app you'll see the Luno welcome screen. And from here you can sign up to a new account or log in if you already have one, and your wallet setup start right after installation. And that's it, you successfully installed the Luno app wallet on your phone. If this video helped you, give it a like, share and subscribe for more crypto and app tutorials. If you have any confusions or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.